Hello guys, it's Michael. Today I'm going to solve a Rubik's Cube as fast as I can. I might do a tutorial video soon. Today I'll do a speed solve video. So I'll just inspect the cube quickly. Okay, looking good. Yes. Alright, I'll go at 30 seconds on the timer. 3, 2, and oh fuck. So there it is. Where's the other edge at? There. Alright, white cross done. Now green and red. Blue and orange. Right, first layer done, 36 seconds. Blue and red. Right, second layer done, under a minute, that's pretty decent. Okay, so got the first part of the yellow cross complete. There we go. Depends on how lucky I get at this point here. Currently not so lucky. I wish my fingers would stop slipping on it. Still no luck on this particular one. No. I'll turn this one. No. Come on. Will you just align already? I don't have all day. It just won't align. I can do this, guys, if this will work. Aha, there we go. Got one in place. And yes. Oh, that was fucking shit. About 2 minutes 44. Not a good time. As you see, guys, I've got it done. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye. Oh and yeah, just remember that's peng. So yeah, see you in my next video. Goodbye.